Fix it till it's broken. Quick tips and tricks. It's quite a tongue twister, I must admit. But if you're looking for advice, here's the one to pick.
It almost seems too good to be true. Water your plants less and get healthier plants? How's that possible? But this method's been around for thousands of years. The Chinese have been using it for 2,000 years. It's been used in the indigenous Americas for thousands of years, all over the world, and it works. So I'm about to show you how. There's no denying that this method really works. It's the reason it's been around for thousands of years. We planted these Calibrachoa in the middle of summer, 40-degree day. I didn't think they were going to live. We got them cheap because they were root bound. But when we planted them, we put them in good soil and we used these Oya pots. That's the secret. Bury them, fill them with water. These are empty right now. I'll be filling them up in a second. But yeah, that gets the water straight down to the roots. You're not wasting water. Yeah, there's no evaporation and it gets the water right where it needs it. So when you want to water them, it's a simple matter. Remove the lid, fill them up with water. Get straight down into the root zone. No evaporation, cut your watering time in half and use as much less water. Instead of coming out every day or second day in summer, putting it on the surface where most of it evaporates before it even gets down to the roots. This will last a few days. Save your time, save your money, save your water, which is always a good thing. I think they're a pretty smart idea in Australia. You're not overwatering, you fill these up, they last nearly a week with water and the plants just love it, they thrive. So anyway, that's the secret, which isn't really a secret. You can buy them quite cheap off Temu in various size sets. It would be ideal to get bigger than this, but I haven't found any bigger ones of reasonable price. In Australia there are Australian nurseries selling bigger ones, but they're like $50, $60 each, which is ridiculous. So yeah, I just stick with these little ones. During summer, probably every 4 or 5 days you got to water them. But yeah, the difference to your plants is astronomical, and it cuts down your time in your garden and the amount of water and gives you better plants. So what more can you ask for? So stay tuned for the next tip. Till then, see you later.